In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to check the creation date of a Google Docs document. If you've ever needed to confirm when a document was first made, Google Docs doesn't always show that information right on the main screen in an obvious way, but there's a simple way to find it by using the version history. This is especially useful if you're tracking changes, confirming when a file began, or just organizing your documents more carefully. To get started, open the Google Docs document you want to check. Make sure you're inside the actual document, not just looking at it from your Google Drive file list. Once the document is open, you'll be able to access the menu options at the top of the page. Next, go to the File menu in the upper left corner. Click File, then move down to Version History, and after that, click See Version History. This opens a panel on the right-hand side of the screen. You can also sometimes use a keyboard shortcut to open version history more quickly, but using the menu is the clearest method if you want to follow along step by step. When the version history panel appears, you'll see a list of saved versions of the document. These versions are usually arranged from newest at the top to oldest at the bottom. That means if you want to find the earliest saved point, you should look toward the bottom of that list. Scroll down through the version history panel until you reach the oldest available version. This earliest entry is important because it typically represents the first time the document was saved in Google Docs. In many cases, that date and time match the original creation date of the document. Once you find that oldest version, look closely at the date and time shown next to it. That timestamp is usually the best indicator of when the document was created. Keep in mind that this is generally accurate for native Google Docs files. If a file was imported from another format or copied from an existing document, the earliest version shown may reflect when it entered Google Docs or when the copy was made, rather than the original source file's creation date. And that's all there is to it. By opening the document, going to File, then Version History, and checking the earliest saved version at the bottom of the panel, you can quickly estimate the creation date of your Google Doc. It's a simple trick, but a very helpful one whenever you need a little more detail about a document's history.